So Jen, you say you don't think Facebook ads work? Hold on, she's on mute. There she goes.
Since I'm a Parse customer, they gave us $100 to play with.
Mm-hmm.
I put up a Facebook ad specifically for U.S. markets, and turns out most of my downloads from my 7 Minutes app have been in the U.S. I don't think there's any. Sorry, in Europe. So I don't think there's. I think it's just ridiculously hard to get people's eyeballs on Facebook. I think people are actually really put off by the ads on Facebook. I know I am. I just wanted to try that out because it was free money.
Yeah, I have done a little experimenting, and I have not had any success at all. Mm-hmm. So I just don't know that I've necessarily done it correctly, but so far I've not had any real success with advertising on Facebook. But
well, I'll tell you what, I haven't played with the app install portion of their service, but the overall ads in general are phenomenal in that, from a demographic standpoint. You can get down to those 100 people in Oklahoma who are female, who went to college, who are conservative, who drive minivan, who you know what I'm saying. You can drill down to such a subset of people. It's incredible.
What app is that going to be?
What's that?
For that demographic you just described.
Oh, I don't know.
It's 7 minutes. It's 7 minutes.
It's 7 minutes. Yeah. But they you can drill down to that level on Facebook, and then it does become a matter of running the ad more than one time and sort of A/B split testing, and is it the copy, is it the image, is it the all those, is it the time of day that the ad runs? I mean, So I guess what I'm saying is, if you get another chance, Jen, to run that with somebody else's money, maybe you might try A/B split testing it, or try a different time of the day, or just to see, just if you get a different result.
Yeah, or maybe target it more closely. The whole setup of the ad itself took a considerable amount of time. There's a lot of graphics to do.
Yeah. Unfortunately, well, yeah. Anytime you do any kind of ads and stuff like that, you're gonna have to labor over the copy, and you're gonna have to labor over what images you should use, and all those types of things can, and it depends on the message and blah blah blah. But what a lot of people think is, well, I'll just go in and I want to show my ad to as many people as possible. I'm sorry, David, I'm totally off topic here, but they'll say they'll want to show their ad to as many people as possible, and in most advertising scenarios, that's correct. But in Facebook, you can get down to such a small sliver of that audience and then you can even break them up, right? So you can say those ladies in Oklahoma, and then you can say, okay, but those ladies in Oklahoma that are from 20 to 28, or from 30 to 35, and what I'm saying, and you can see which one of those groups get better results. Because I know I ran some ads a while back, and they were targeting women, but I broke them up into age groups, and what I found was that a lot of the women who were younger post pictures of their kids, and they just sort of chatter, and they weren't necessarily the buyers. I know, Ed, you like that. But the older group of women who were in the same demographic, but just the age was separated by age, the older demographic were much more. The numbers were smaller, but there was a higher response rate from those people.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah.
So what's their purpose on Facebook? Why are they there, and what are they doing? So anyway.